everyone, welcome to my channel Shweta's Art Gallery. Subscribe and hit bell icon ting 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 to never miss a video from Shweta's Art Gallery. Like and share the video. Also do follow me on my social media handles. In today's video, we will see how to make 3D quilt flower frame. So let's see the things that we need. Cardsheet, 3 and 5 mm quilling strips, quilling tools, glue and scissor. Take one full quilling strip and make a tight coil. Take 1/4 quilling strip and make fringes and glue the same to the tight coil. Take half quilling strip, roll to a loose coil and make leaf shape. Glue the end to secure the shape. Make as many leaves as needed. Take the fringe and glue the leaf-shaped petals to the fringe as you see here. Take some more leaf-shaped petals and glue these as the second row to the fringe. Using quilling tools, make some more flowers and leaves in different quilling shapes. Take 2 full quilling strips, roll to make a tight coil and give the shape as you see here. Make 5 such shapes and glue these to each other as you see here. Also, make a fringe using 1/4 strip and roll 2 tight coil and glue the same at the center of the flower. To make flower buds, take 1 full quilling strip, roll to loose coil and make a dome shaped as you see here. Join the two domes as you see to form a bud. Take white card sheet and start gluing flowers, leaves, buds that we've created so far into a desired shape. Our 3D quilt flower frame is ready. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and if you did, then don't forget to subscribe. Do give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.